Hi, I'm Jesper, and I'm the founder of calculations.tools. So let's look at the salary to hourly calculator. If you wanted to convert your monthly salary to an hourly rate, it could be that you used to be on an hourly, working on an hourly rate, and you want to compare to the new salary you've been offered, either monthly or bi-weekly. Could also be that you used to be a freelancer, now you've been offered a full-time position with a company. So this calculator gives you an easy and fast comparison. So you just choose up here in the calculator. You change the currency that to the one you need. So let's take euros. Let's say 100K per year. Here we can also choose exactly what you need. Let's do annual, 40 hours per week. That's pretty standard. 52 weeks per year. And instantly we'll get the hourly rate, daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and annual. And so the daily rate assumes 5 working days per week. And below the calculator, we have some helpful content, some FAQs that will help you answer any of the questions you may have. And here we have the exact formula that's used to calculate the hourly rate for the calculator. Just a pro tip when using this calculator. So don't get the salary wrong by calculating the hourly rate based on 52 weeks without subtracting paid holiday. So for a true hourly equivalent, when comparing against freelance rate, for example, subtract paid holiday weeks, typically 4 to 6 weeks for salaried employees, from the 52-week total. So just consider that when using this calculator, that obviously to get the exact rate, you would have to subtract first the vacation weeks. Um, so if you have any questions for using this calculator or anything else, just comment down below and I'll answer you right away.